much.
You're gonna see your t-shirt.
Huh? We're gonna see my t-shirt. They have lunch with the baby. Where are we going next? Lemonade, what? Actually.
Island.
Oh, island. Next, we're going to Lemonade Island.
Yeah.
That's where I got the SIM card over there. We should shy right now. Oh, a couple minutes later, what's she doing? What's she doing? Baby. What does it say? What does the shirt say? What does it say? We're at Zenith Bar and Restaurant.
Is it bar also?
Relaxing. Yeah. I think that's what it said right there. Look at that cutie smile. Look at that cute smile. Mwah. Fine. Like, I could record several videos and I'll put them together. And then look, you can take pictures like this. Look. You move your sister out the way. You see? That's okay. Last time you smiled on the picture. No lipstick, no picture.
Yeah.
No brush hair, no picture.
Yeah, I didn't really brush my hair. I just used my hands, you know.
That's why I couldn't get a picture from her this morning. Right. She's a raw star.
Rooster?
She's a raw star, not rooster. She's a raw star until she dies. We're waiting on some pork and chicken adobo. The first time I'm gonna try the pork and chicken. I had only tried the chicken adobo. Peace.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.